Hi, I'm Will McLaughlin. I'm the Executive Vice President at Steel Construction Services. We are a full-service steel fabricator in Dallas-Fort Worth area. We focus on structural steel as well as miscellaneous steel and also architectural items such as stairs and rails. The reason we chose Prodevco is because a couple years ago we were looking at our shop and looking at the man hours that we had in there. And what we wanted to do was figure out a way to automate our shop more and really reduce the amount of man hours that we had. The biggest benefit we've seen from the PCR 42 is that it does all the processes automatically now, the processes that we used to do manual. It sends a fully processed beam, vertical brace, column down the line. We no longer have our fitters having to do those processes, and so we've seen a pretty significant reduction in man hours. We've been able to reallocate labor to different areas of the shop where we needed it, and it's been a very big benefit and a great product for us. The main items that we process through the PCR 42 are wide flange beams and tube steel columns. We've really, on the wide flange, seen a pretty significant increase in productivity on that because now the machine does all of our copes for us. It does all of our bevels, obviously does all of our holes, as well as layout on those items. And we also run vertical braces through it, and so that's no longer a manual process. One of the major benefits we see from having a robotic plasma is that it performs all the copes, all the bevels that were processes that we were doing manual before, and that's greatly reduced the amount of man hours that we put into each piece. The support team at Prodevco is pretty amazing. During installation, they were there anytime we had a question, anytime we needed anything. They were always there to answer those questions. Right now, if we have an issue, if we have a programming question, anything we need, we just jump on the line with them and they handle it in a matter of minutes. Overall, our experience with Prodevco has been fantastic. The machine has performed extremely well. Customer support has been fantastic. I would highly recommend anybody looking for a robotic machine to look at the Prodevco PCR 42.